Seeing still processing after placing a total wireless order? It means your order is undergoing verification. This involves three key steps: payment verification, ID verification, and shipping and fulfillment. Payment verification checks for sufficient funds and fraud. ID verification, required by the FCC, confirms your identity using a government-issued ID. Shipping involves dispatching your SIM card or device. Delays often stem from payment declines, incomplete ID uploads like blurry photos, or supply chain bottlenecks. Total Wireless has seen a 15 to 20% order volume increase due to expanded 5G, leading to some processing delays. Don't panic. Most issues can be resolved by understanding each verification step and proactively providing the correct information. To fix a stuck order, first check your payment information in the Total Wireless app or website. Ensure your card isn't expired and has sufficient funds. For ID verification, upload a clear, well-lit photo of your driver's license or passport directly through the app, ensuring all details are visible. If issues persist, contact Total Wireless customer support via live chat or phone and provide screenshots of any errors. The Total Wireless app now offers real-time order tracking with push notifications, helping monitor progress. Consider eSIM activation to bypass physical shipping delays. Proactive communication and using the app's tools are key to resolving still processing issues faster. Most orders resolve within 3 to 7 business days if you provide missing information promptly.